Hey guys, this is Lori with Ellen's Crafty Creations, and I am here with a project share for you. This is my Raining Cats and Dogs mini album, and I already have a tutorial for this one on my channel. I used the Doodlebug So Punny um, design for this album. I did 5 pages, and I picked and chose which pages I wanted to put in this album. On the front cover here, I've cut out this this design from the signature sheet, and I have a cup sticker here, and I backed her on cardstocks, and I made a pocket out of her. And here I have 2 photo mats. This album does have photos in it, but obviously I need to print some more, so not every photo mat is going to have a photo, but there are lots of photos in here for you to see, so I'm really excited about that. And I have a velvet spine. I use my Doodlebug velvet paper, and I love it. And on the back, I did a little layout here. This is a sticker from the collection. Let's see. This was from the signature sheet, and I put the dog on it. 2 stickers. This is a sticker. I cut this out from the signature sheet and this, and then there's a sticker right there. So on the inside, right off the bat, there's my dog. His name was Toby. And so you'll see a lot of places where I put photos and then I cut pattern paper to go beside them. So it really saves on your pattern paper when you can add photos into your album before you add the paper. So what I did is I created all the base pages, and I went in and automatically added photos where I could, and then I cut strips of paper to decorate, to accent them. So there's 2 cut aparts here. They will have photos in the back, but not yet. Here, I got a little smudge of glue right here because I had gotten glue over here when I was putting my pages in. I made a disaster out of putting this page in. And then there's a cat there. I really wanted a dog, so I may still do something different. But on the inside, I may do a little journaling space, but I have one 3x4 photo there. I'm sorry, I feel out of breath because I was running around like a madwoman trying to get my camera set up so I could do this video quick. So there's a swing tab here. It opens this way. Whoops. And then this way. So I have a 4x4 here. That's me and my dog. And a sticker here. This was cut out from the paper. And again, I just used strips of paper to accent. These little pictures came from the on Shutterfly. When you print your photos with them, they put a little page in there with these tiny little pictures, and I just cut them out because I thought they were adorable. And then there's another picture. There may be some duplicate pictures in here. I'm not sure. I don't have one on the back yet. But I tried not to. So this closes. That's a chipboard element from the collection. And then I have these booklets, just like I did in my other album, where I've pieced the paper together. And then I have 2 photos. That's him and my daughter when she was just a few months old. On the second page, I liked this cut apart, so I paired it here. There's a sticker from the collection here. I did a magnetic closure on this one this time, and it flips up once here, and you have a 4x4 photo and a decorative border strip there, and then another 4x4 photo, and just again I layered the papers. This flips up again, and then again that's me and him, and I just layered the papers here. And on this page at the bottom, I loved, when I did 12x12 scrapbooking, I loved to cut out images from my pictures and make them look like they were coming off the page. So I did that here with him. This is when he was a puppy, and then 2 photos when he was older. And I know this space is empty. I'm not sure what I'm going to put there yet. But I thought that was really cute. It turned out well. And then there is one photo mat there. There's the back, and then just another photo mat. And then on this side, another swing tab. This is another chipboard element, and I had these button Brad's in my stash, some seam binding from Tamara's store, a sticker, and then it opens this way and then out this way. So you have all of these cute photos. I like that one because we caught him mid-yawn. And not all of them are the greatest photos, but if they were of him, I put them in here. And then I did some 5x7s, and I really like how they turned out. How you could take up most of the page here, and even when you shut it, you still don't see the picture, you just see the paper. So I thought that was cute. I have another booklet inside here, sticker from the collection that was left over. And then these are of my daughter and him when she was just a babe. And that's me, the top of my head anyway. And they don't have paper on the back. So I made this little photo mat, so I will tuck a photo here and it'll tuck behind these photo corners. But this little frame here was catching on this and tearing it. So I just made this photo mat just to stick right here to prevent that from happening. I thought it turned out really cute. So on this side, there is a photo mat here waiting for a photo. And I couldn't decide what to do with this page, but I came up with this. I cut out this frame from one of the cut-aparts and framed his picture here. And then I did the ribbon closure on the side this time instead of in the middle like I did the last time. And these flip out. These are photos when he was just a puppy. And there you go again. And this was just so pretty, and I love this paper that I just left that so we could just, look at the pretty paper. So that closes, then this closes. I like to tie things up. I can't help it. And I was going to put some kind of little chipboard elements on the end of these ribbons, but I didn't get to that yet. So this folds over. Again, a cut apart from the collection. I layered these two papers. I did a little frame out of one of the papers here. This opens up. There's one photo there. And then I still have room for more on the back. There's my mom and my dog. And then there he is. See, I didn't like all the noise at the top, so I just cut that off. And then I just did a little decorating here with the stickers. Again, that's me right after my daughter came home from the hospital, and I had this look on my face that my husband's taking the picture. I'm like, don't take a picture of me right now. And that was his favorite place to lay, was right in between my legs. And there he's photobombing my daughter's photo. There's me and him again. That night we took a lot of photos of me and him for some reason. This was part of our engagement pictures, me and my husband's. We had a pug at the time too. And there's me and him again, and another cute photo. And then the booklet on the inside, again, pictures of my daughter and my dog, and that's her. I thought that was cute. They look alike right there. And turn the page. This one's really chunky, you can tell. I don't have pictures on those photo mats just yet, but they will. That's my crazy husband and his crazy hair. I don't know what he's doing there with his hands. Looks kind of funny. I love this paper. This one is magnetized and opens this way. And then closes and then opens again this way. That's my favorite picture of him when he was a puppy, and that's my niece and him sleeping. Again, I used the photo and then I cut strips of paper here to frame around it. So that way all you see is the paper. On this side I have a swing tab. I did another strip here so I could match this right here. And it opens up this way. I left him open so I could tuck something behind him if I wanted to. But there's a photo that I cut around. This flips down. And I just have a little sticker here, a cut apart, and then a little, I did a photo strip because I have this punch, and then I used those little photos from Shutterfly on that. and they go in that pocket. And again, I put this sticker and then just a larger photo of him right there. And I don't have anything in that pocket. Whoops, could bring it down for you, couldn't I? Right here, I did my favorite thing I like to do, which is layer the papers. I just cut them and stack them right next to each other. My leftovers. Here I used a magnet this time. On the other album, I think I used a ribbon or something. And this flips down. This is one of my favorite pages. So it flips out this way. So you can see the smaller photos. Again, accented with the paper, a chipboard element, a sticker there. And then it flips over this way. And he's hiding under the covers here. You can barely see him. And I have stickers placed here. I love these little small photos. This one flips out this way. There's my husband and his crazy hair again. That doesn't look like that anymore. I love these little stickers. And then, if I can get this all in frame, my camera's in the way, it flips out this way. And you have those cute stickers. And then you have the large photo in the middle. This was again a 5x7 that I cut down and then just added the paper to the top and bottom. And this all folds up neatly and closes. So on this side, I'm trying to move my mouse out of the way, I have a swing tab. Again, I have another photo mat that I layered the papers on. This comes out this way and then this way. And then it flips down and then it flips up. And then I have the larger photo in the middle. So I thought that was really cute. And then the final page, I have, let's see, let's start here. I don't think this booklet, I did a booklet, I layered my paper. I don't have anything in it yet. In this one, this pocket, I did my acetate again. And there's a picture. This is my cat page. So we had kept some cats, some rescue cats for a while, and they like to stay in his little sleeping area. And so there they are taking up his bed. And I just put paper on the back of that one. And then this one is my daughter. You can see as he's watching her like inch closer to him. Oh, that was cute. On the inside are the rest of the cat photos. There's that one right there where he's laying with them. And then again, they're laying together and on the couch. This one was kind of blurry, but I liked the photo, so I used it anyway. And then this is just a sticker strip. This is actually left open in case I wanted to tuck something underneath there. And then I put the sticker from the collection there. I thought that was cute. That closes with a magnet. And our final page, I just have one single photo mat. I might do one more. I have just a few strips of paper left. And then this was a chipboard element, but I peeled most of it off so it would lay flat since this album is so chunky. But I also want to show you one more thing that goes with it. So Tamara has these Snap by Simple Stories 4x6 and 3x4 booklets in her shop, and she sent me one. She may have already sent me two by now. Anyway, I did one of these up and they are so cute. So these are extra photos that are either duplicates or they just weren't good enough to fit in the book. So I have a cut apart here. I papered it on the back. I put a sticker at the top that says D is for dog, and then they just flip down. I did have to trim my photos slightly for them to fit, but I did some layering here. There he is. See, just these kind of photos that I didn't quite get him all the way. That was a duplicate. That was a duplicate. But it's still the really cute booklets. If you wanted to put little, make it like a brag book and put little photos of your grandkids or your kids in here, it would be really cute to use. And there's the last photo. I put paper on this side. I inked around all of the edges. And I really wanted it to go inside the book, but the book is so chunky that I was afraid it wouldn't close. But so anyway, it goes in there. And it comes with 2. So I only used the one, and then it comes with a smaller one too for the smaller photos. So that's how it looks when you get it. And I just put paper on the front and back. So they're really, really cute. So check out Tamara's store, countrycraftcreations.com, if you want to get those. And there you go. There's the review of my Raining Cats and Dogs album with photos. Thanks for watching.